Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today we are doing yet another Stitch Fix unboxing. Very excited. Let's go ahead and jump into the fun things that I got in this month's box. Let's go. Okay, so for those of you guys that aren't familiar, this is my Stitch Fix box for the month. You get 5 items of clothing every month. I will leave the link down below if you guys are interested in checking it out for yourselves. But first here on the top is something I am very excited about. This is a cute little skirt, but looks like a full skirt, which I love. But there are little shorts built in inside. It's a really thick, like really good quality material with this little slit, like short slit right in the front. I think this is so cute. I love wearing little skirts for the fall and winter. It's a really heavy material, so I don't know that I'd use it a ton in the summertime, but I'm excited about that. This is also the Montgomery Post fitted mini skirt in black, size small. Next, we have this, which I already can tell you I'm going to be returning. I'm not a fan of this print, but this is from also Montgomery Post. This is the Montgomery Post Olivia puff sleeve Arnett blouse in black, size small. It's cute, but I'm not gonna wear it. I already can tell you I'm not a fan, but it's cute. It's not cute. I don't know why I said that. Next, this I'm actually kind of excited about. This is a really nice quality, like I don't think it's cropped necessarily. I'll put in video at the end of this of me trying everything on, but kind of like a cropped button down sweater material. This is like a great spring staple. I think this will be really cute to try on. I'll see how I like it, but this is the Letty and Me textured short sleeve cardigan off-white in size small. I'd probably just wear this as a shirt, to be honest. I probably wouldn't wear this as a cardigan. I'll probably just wear it as a shirt, but it's cute and it feels good quality. Next, something I'm a little hesitant, but we'll see how it goes. This is like a, not houndstooth, but like a gingham. Is this gingham? I should know this better. And it's got a little bit of ruching in the back. This is by Market and Spruce. This is the Market and Spruce Teresa cotton vest in black, size small. Cute. I like the ruching in the back. I think it'll give it some good shape. We'll see how it fits when I try it on. All right, and last but not least, we have something else from Montgomery Post. Whoever my stylist was a big fan. This is again a really cute, like just more probably casual for work, to be honest. I actually like the look and the feel of this. Is very good quality. It's very heavy material. This is, where's the tag? The Montgomery Post Johnny Collar Rib short sleeve tee in black, size small. Love it. So I think now we'll go ahead and try everything on and see how it goes. All right, friends, thank you so much for watching this fit try-on haul from Stitch Fix. I hope you guys enjoyed this month's box. I'm still debating on what I'm going to keep and or return from this box, so I will let you guys know maybe in the comments down below which ones I ended up keeping. I'm debating. But hopefully if you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to see more of my face, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!